Hey guys, John Vapor Hunting Technologies here today, showing off yet again this revolutionary surface treatment process that we have been critiquing and working on now for about 9 years. This is a gear that's prior to treating. You can see how crusty and ugly this thing looks, and over here is a shaft and a gear that has been treated. Also, we have a transmission gear here. Actually, we have two that have been treated, and then a rocker arm over here as well. But this is a very unique, specific, highly controlled process. This is something that you cannot do in any DIY machine or any one of our machines that we have sold to date. Very controlled and very specific with a very proprietary abrasive. We'll be releasing details on that to come, but you guys need to stay tuned for more details and information as we continue to show this off. Thanks for watching.